friend, I am so excited to announce that I have a brand spanking new membership page on Patreon. So whether you are an avid listener of mine or you want to be a student, this is your one-stop shop to get the best content from me in those areas. I'll be posting weekly tune videos with a little bit of history and backstory behind the tune, and I will also be posting slowed down versions of those videos in addition to sheet music with my exact bowings written in there. Also, if you want to take a one-on-one monthly lesson with me, this is the best place for you to sign up for that. So I am so excited to welcome you in to this new page. You can search it on Patreon. I'm on there as Hannah Harris Ceol. That is C-E-O-L. Ceol is the Irish language word for music, if you're wondering. And alternatively, you could also type in your search bar patreon.com/Hannah Harris Ceol and you'll find me there. Thank you so much. I am so excited to welcome you in. I will see you in the membership community.